Hello, my dear love little friends. Welcome back to Learn Fun Boom. Today we are diving into Bear and Bird Lend a Helping Hand by Jonny Lambert. Get ready to explore a garden full of fun, friendship, and teamwork, where every little helping hand makes a big difference. Bear and Bird were happy. It's sunny and warm today. Bees buzzed among the beautiful flowers. Spring was on its way. Bear and Bird's new pretty plant had outgrown its little pot. Time to plant it in the ground, said Bear. Here's the perfect spot. The hole can't be too big, chirped Bird. Otherwise our plant won't grow. As Bear marked the spot, his friends appeared. What is he doing? They wanted to know. Bird helped to clear the nearby ground and Bear began to dig. Then Bird chirped a warning. Watch out! The hole is getting too big. When Bear popped up, two rabbits asked, Are you good at planting trees? We don't know much about gardening. Can you help us, please? Wow, gasped Bear. That's a very small pot for such a big, tall tree. Don't worry, Bear. We can plant it together, chirped Bird happily. While Bear was digging, the animals gathered. No one made a peep. Bird lent Bear a helping hand. This hole has got to be deep. Everyone cheered as Bear placed the tree. It was a perfect fit. The tree was full of nectar. All the bees loved it. His good deed done, Bear smiled. I can plant our flower as planned. When suddenly, please, would you lend us a helping hand? Bird helped Bear dig and plant every flower and bush and tree. There were so many different plants, perfect for the bees. Bear was eager to plant their flower, but Bird made sure to say, Before we begin, the hole is a bit too big for our flower. Let's fill it back in. Why are there so many bees? Asked Bird. Bear smiled. I'll take a look. I'm sure it will tell us somewhere in our little gardening book. They sat and read their gardening book in their new wooded wonderland. Bird, thank you so much, cheered Bear, for lending me a helping hand. And that's how Bear and Bird show us that helping friends and caring for nature is always rewarding. Remember, a little kindness and teamwork can make the world bloom. See you next time on Learn Fun Boom!